Hi everyone, on 4K Pro Google TV versus Nvidia Shield 4K, which one delivers the best streaming experience? In this video, we will compare their specification, performance and features to help you decide. Let's dive in. Core specifications: feature processor in on 4K Pro Amlogic S905 into 4 and in NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus, RAM 3 GB in both, storage 32 GB in on 4K Pro and 16 GB in NVIDIA, resolution 4K HDR in both, audio support Dolby Atom in Pro and Dolby Atom True HD DTS MA in NVIDIA Shield. Additional specification: feature HDR support, Dolby Vision in on 4K Pro and Dolby Vision in NVIDIA Shield. Ports HDMI, Ethernet, USB-A 3.0 in on 4K and in NVIDIA HDMI and Ethernet. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax in on and in NVIDIA Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC operating system. Android 12 in OWN and in NVIDIA Android TV. Performance comparison aspect: processor power in OWN advocate for streaming and NVIDIA high performance for gaming. Streaming performance: OWN good for standard use and NVIDIA excellent for high bitrate streams. Gaming capability: OWN limited and in NVIDIA superior gaming performance. AI upscaling: there is no in OWN and yes in NVIDIA. Feature comparison, voice control, in own always on voice control, NVIDIA no hands free control commands, smart home integration, basic integration in own, and extensive third party support in NVIDIA, user interface, user friendly Google TV in own, and NVIDIA's robust experience for gamers. Additional features: own affordable streaming devices and NVIDIA advanced gaming and upscaling. Conclusion: which one is better? Choose on 4K Pro if you want a budget friendly option. Prefer always on voice control. Primarily use streaming services without heavy gaming needs. Choose Nvidia Shield TV Pro if you require superior gaming performance, need support for advanced audio format like True HD, are willing to invest more for enhanced capabilities and future proofing.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.